everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do two methods of deleting a file. Okay, so I'm going to create the first one, a subroutine called delete file. I'm going to create a path to this file using my scalar path. Now this file is on my desktop and this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to find your own unique desktop path, or else if you simply type this in, it'll throw an error. And I just simply named the file a.txt. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so there it is, a.txt. So let's go back to that. Now what we're going to use is unlink. And we're going to say scalar path. And then we're going to print out a little message to the user afterwards saying file removed. Let's just go in a little bit further there. So all we have to do to run this subroutine is to type in delete file. Let's just save it. Now let's just run the program. So we run it by typing in Raku and the name of the program, test.raku. Right, we'll save that and let's run it. File removed. So let's go and have a look and see if the file was removed. Okay, it's gone, so the file has been removed there. Right, let's do delete file 2. So all I have to do here, knock that out. So that's the path to my desktop without the file. And let's just do that. Delete file 2. Let's just Right, so that's the path to my desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in chdr. In fact, I tell you what, let's just do this again because it's highlighting in red for some reason. So sub delete file. Okay, so we're going to create a path here. Desktop, the path to my desktop, so I'll use chdr, and we're going to change to that path, okay, because that's where the file is. And this time we're going to use user input to delete this. So I'm going to create a variable scalar called file name. I'm going to assign that to prompt, which will get the user input, and in the box here we're going to simply say file name, so the user will type in the file name that they want to delete. And again we're going to use unlink, and that's going to be the scalar file name that's been typed in, and then we're going to tell the user, say file deleted. Right, all we have to do is call the program, which is going to be delete file, Right, the file that I want to delete is this file here, digits. So let's go back, let's save that. Let's just clear this here and run the program. Raku test.raku. Hit enter. File name digits.txt. Hit enter. File deleted. Let's just check that out. Okay, so the file has gone, so you can see it's been deleted there. And that's about it. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a big like, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.